welcome back to my channel. So it's me again, Nielle. Today, I want to say thank you because I got bananas! 1,000 subscribers na po tayo. Bananas, diba? Kapag bananas na, yay! So, thank you everyone sa lahat po ng sumuporta sa akin, sa lahat ng nag-subscribe para ma-meet ko yung 1,000 subscriber. Thank you so much, kundi dahil sa mga tulong nyo, hindi ko naman ma-meet agad yun. In just less than 2 months, I got the bananas, which is 1,000 subscribers. So I want to say thank you to everyone who have subscribed and like my channel and continue watching my videos. So sobrang thank you po sa lahat. Sana huwag kayong magsawang manood, mag-like ng aking mga videos. I will make more nice, beautiful content and makeup tutorial for everyone. So today, as you can see, I'm wearing already my makeup. I'm gonna teach you how I did this makeup. Actually, this makeup was inspired by NARS Bronze. We have a challenge in our work that we have to make a makeup look using bronze makeup. So this is it. I make this bronze makeup with a green eyeshadow with a graphic liner. So I'm gonna teach it this today. Thank you so much again, guys. So continue watching. So let's start it. Let's go. So hello again, guys. So I already put my foundation and I put my brows already. Contour. It's a cream contour, but I will add more contour and bronzer later on. So it will more emphasize. What I will do is I will put concealer for my eyes and under my eye. I'm gonna start it.
Next, I will draw a graphic eyeliner. I'm gonna start on the outer corner towards to upper lids. Then I will do the other side and make sure that it will be symmetric. Just slowly do the line so you will make it perfectly. In the corner of the liner, I will draw a wing. So I will adjust the wing a little bit higher. So this is it. As you can see in my eyes, I make it more higher and the wing is longer. Let's proceed with our eyeshadow. Just fill inside the eyeliner using the top. Slowly all over inside. And we're done with our green eyeshadow. Then let's put the glitter on top of the green shadow. We will be using the Makeup Forever setting spray to make the glitter stick very well. Ayan! Tapos na ang ating eyeshadow. So, maglalagay tayo ng highlight sa ating brow bone para ma-emphasize ang ating kilay at the same time ang ating eyeshadow. And don't forget to put the eyeshadow on the inner corner or the tear duct, then along with the halfways of your lower lash. So let's put our false lashes. Okay. let's proceed to our nose line. So you have to brush it slowly. So to make our nose emphasize, and make sure to blend it with a nice brush and fluffy brush. Okay, let's do our bronzer. I will use this Hello Happy from Benefit Flawless. We will put it on our lower cheekbone and also sa ating panga para mabawasan ng panga, as well as our forehead. I will put excessive bronzer to emphasize our skin to become tan. And the last will be our highlighter. I will use this Huda Beauty. And this is my final look. A gorgeous bronzing makeup look with a green eyeshadow and graphic eyeliner. Hope you like it, guys. Thank you for watching, guys. Till next time, don't forget to like, subscribe, and click the notification bell. Thank you.